Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Maker.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we will be talking about Maker today. And this is kind of like a gem that we have in our opinion. And we've been watching this coin for a very long time, and it's finally time to make a video on it.
So we've both had our eye on this for some time, as Hamza said. Right from around mid 2020, we've had our eye on it. And from what we've seen, it's grown exponentially. And also, the reason why we're making this video today is because we're almost at the end of circulation supply. So everything, all the tokens are now out there to be purchased, which therefore means we can get Maker to its maximum amount, a maximum price they can go to, because all of the tokens are out there to be bought up. So we have way more opportunity, which is, and also the market cap is very small for what the price is, and it's also very relative to the price. As you can see, $3,900, 3.9 billion. So like it's like the price but in billion format, if that makes sense. So as you can see, the all-time high was $6,300. So we'd need about another $2 billion, give or take, for it to be at its all-time high again. But because of Maker, I reckon that's not a lot for Maker in my opinion. It can definitely happen. It's definitely possible. It's definitely possible within the end of year. As long as Bitcoin does break through this 40k, and then we'd have a nice upside from there. Um, and I could see maybe it breaking its all-time high then. Maybe if we broke through 50 after, maybe if when we break through 50, would be its all-time high for Maker. So the current exchanges that you can buy Maker on are all the normal ones such as Binance, Coinbase, Huobi, Uniswap, and Qcoin. But the best one, in my opinion, would either be not Binance, unless you're in the US. But if you're in the UK, do not be using Binance. Be using, I'd say, Qcoin or FTX are great exchanges to be using. I personally do not like Coinbase at all. But Qcoin and FTX are great ones. Also Gemini and Kraken, also great ones. They are some good exchanges you can be using, and you can also buy with your bank and sell to your bank in the UK as well, unlike Binance.
So as we know, DAO Maker is part of Maker DAO. Okay, so it basically gives you financial freedom with no volatility. So it is a stable coin such as USDT, USDC, and many other stable coins as well. And you can read about that on here as well. So decentralized governance is the Maker token, and the holders govern the Maker protocol, sort of smart contract that powers DAI. And right now it is a growing ecosystem. So right now it is a growing ecosystem. There's over 400 apps and services which have been integrated with DAI, and including wallets such as DeFi platforms, games, and many more. Coinbase, Kraken, a lot of these centralized exchanges have integrated with actual DAO and is making it very interesting and shows us how big the potential is for this cryptocurrency.
So what you can do is you can generate DAI as using your crypto as a collateral. So you can deposit your collateral and then you'll generate DAI against it. So you'll be earning some DAO as well. Sorry, some DAI from just using your any crypto as collateral. So here's a crypto you can use. You can use Ethereum, wrapped Bitcoin. Then we have the pairings, Chainlink, Yearn, Gemini Dollar. Which is a stable coin. So they were the popular assets. If we go to all the assets, they actually have pretty much every single, well, all the stable coins, apart from the Binance coin. And then we have Trust Token. We have loads of coins here for using as collateral to then receive DAI. So it's really good. And we can use MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, Portis Wallet, Maya Ether Wallet, Trezor, Gnosis Safe, and Ledger. So there's loads of options there to be able to deposit any collateral you have into any of these wallets and earn extra DAI on it.
So what exactly are Maker Vaults? Okay, the Maker Vault is a core component of the Maker protocol, which facilitates the generation of DAI against locked up collateral. So Vault usage collectively alters the total supply of DAI. And as you know, the total supply of DAI is not limited. And it's kind of like USDT. It can be produced like the US dollar. There's no specific amount of DAI that is available. It is always available. So you may ask, how does the vault actually work? So any user who wishes to generate DAI may deposit collateral into a vault and do so. And this is paying a sustainable stability fee on the generation DAI balance. So you're basically almost earning passive income on your stable coin that MakerDAO is kind of offering for us, which is pretty cool to do. Yeah.
So that is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press this big red subscribe button and also like the video. It really helps us out. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day.